Do you think people with disabilities are treated with dignity?
In our experience, they are being treated.
अगर हम किसी व्हीलचेयर को देखते हैं, व्हीलचेयर पर्सन को देखते हैं, तो फिर सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या आएगा? What comes to your mind when you heard about disability?
उनको भी किसी से कम नहीं आना चाहिए।
What do you think or what do you mean by the word disability?
What comes to your mind first when you hear the word disability?
दरअसल क्या आता है कि उनमें तो उनका कोई हाथ तो होता नहीं है disability का। वो तो आई थिंक मतलब किसी न किसी प्रॉब्लम की वजह से उनके साथ ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हो जाते हैं, तो उनको भी किसी से कम नहीं आना चाहिए।
तो आपको ये लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम की वजह से डिसेबिलिटी होती है?
नहीं, प्रॉब्लम की वजह से डिसेबिलिटी नहीं हो सकता, किसी मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोई इंसिडेंट्स भी हो जाए उससे भी डिसेबिलिटीज आती हैं, लेकिन उनके जो मनोभाव है, मनोदशा है ना, उनमें कोई डिसेबिलिटीज नहीं होती है। उनका भी एक वैसा ही मन होता है या वैसे ही थिंकिंग होती है या अप्रोचमेंट उनका वैसा ही होता है जैसे नॉर्मल लोग ही होते हैं।
ठीक है।
So I feel disability is not a limitation, and every person is a whole. So I feel disability is not physical; it is a mental. Because I have observed people who are disabled, but they have deeper thought process and deeper empathy rather than the people who are physically fit. So society feels that being physical fit is normalized. That is why they don't accept people who are not physically fit. But in my thought process, I feel the people who are mentally unfit, they are the disabled one. So they are the unconscious one. They have to work on it, and they have to feel it. Like when we demean someone, when we mock someone, that is the actual disability.
For the disability, I think we should treat the disabled people like same as like we are. So that's why I mean इसकी वजह से मतलब जो डिसेबल होते हैं उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है, लाइक उनको बहुत सारी चीज़ों को फेस करना पड़ता है। एक होता है सोशल प्रेशर, और उनको ऐसा मतलब आउटलायर ट्रीट करते हैं वो खुद को। बट हम अगर उनको ऐसे फील कराएं कि वो भी हमारी जैसे हैं, तो शायद वो उनके लिए इतना पिंच ना हो, फिर उनको लगे कि हम भी नॉर्मल हैं।
So have you ever witnessed any kind of discrimination among people with different ability?
No.
Okay. So let's say if a wheelchair person is going and उसी के साथ एक normal person जा रहा है, तो अगर कोई wheelchair वाले person को बोलता है कुछ, तो have you like उस केस में आपको लगेगा कि उनके साथ discrimination हो रहा है?
Of course,
Depends,
Mhm.
it depends कि
हाँ,
वो क्या
mhm.
पूछ रहा है, उसके according we can
Okay.
come with our
Mhm.
like
But
input or
हम लोग जितना रहे हैं
हम्म।
उतना हमारे सामने ऐसे
ऐसा
nobody
नहीं है।
has said.
अच्छा, तो आपको लगता है कि सोसाइटी में ऐसा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है वैसे?
Maybe in tier 2 or some
Mhm,
cities, but
mhm.
इधर तो
Mhm.
we don't see. गुड़गांव में जो
ओके, सो डू यू थिंक कि गुड़गांव एक्सेसिबल है
for
फॉर पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटीज?
some places are, not
Mhm.
all.
yeah.
Mhm.
सब तो नहीं बोलेंगे,
Mhm.
but some places are.
But yeah, most of the places have free
ओके,
Would you hire someone with a disability if you were an employer? Why or why not?
Yes, I will definitely hire someone if someone is not physically fit, but he's keen to learn new things, he's interested to improve, and he wants to collaborate with the people. Because I have seen one of my friend, he has his best friend, and he make him join in his organization and taking care of that person just like his child, and he's guiding him, training him, and that person is really doing good. He's a data analyst now, and he's really performing well, which also opens a door for other people who wants to learn and grow and want to collaborate with the normal people. So for me, definitely yes.
हमें उनको नॉर्मल ट्रीट करना चाहिए, सो उनको भी ये फील ना हो कि वो डिसेबल है। बट हाँ, ये भी बात सही है, लाइक आप किसी मतलब डिसेबल पर्सन को आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही वर्क प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो। लाइक कोई ब्लाइंड है तो आप उसको कुछ लाइक कुछ और काम में ही लगा सकते हो, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें जज करना पड़ेगा कि हाँ उनके लिए क्या सूटेबल वर्क्स हैं, और हमें उस टाइप के वर्क उनको प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए।
कि जैसे राइट्स हैं उनके, डिसेबिलिटी राइट्स, तो डिसेबिलिटी राइट्स कई लोगों को पता नहीं है,
तो क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकता है कि लोगों को जो डिसेबल है उनको पता लगे? व्हाट कैन बी द सोल्यूशन फॉर इट?
इसके लिए आपको कैंपेन रन करना चाहिए और कुछ डिसेबल पोर्टल हो गए, गवर्नमेंट के कुछ साइट होते हैं, उस पर आपको एक लाइक जैसे आप मुझे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं वैसे रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन, या फिर सपोज़ कोई ब्लाइंड है तो उसको कैसे, तो वो कई सारे कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए वे होता है उनके लिए, तो आई थिंक आपको उनको अप्रोच करना चाहिए।
सो जस्ट वांट टू हाईलाइट, हम इसके लिए एक वेबिनार भी कर रहे हैं, तो आपको लगता है ये इफ़ेक्टिव होगा फॉर लेटिंग देम अंडरस्टैंड यूडीआईडी कैसे बनती है, किसी डिसेबल पर्सन को उसको राइट्स कैसे मिलते हैं?
आई डोंट हैव मच आइडिया बट आई थिंक इट्स वर्क।
ओके।
What hurts more, physical barriers like stairs and inaccessible spaces, or emotional barriers like judgment and isolation?
Yeah, I think stairs and
Inaccessible
spaces, inaccessible
spaces.
spaces are not doesn't matter to anybody.
Right, right.
The mental status of anybody is matters. So I think we should think about their emotional and we should use our emotional intelligence for them. Yeah, that's the reason.
अच्छा, अगर हम किसी व्हीलचेयर को देखते हैं, व्हीलचेयर पर्सन को देखते हैं, तो फिर सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या आएगा? क्या-क्या लिमिटेशंस आएँगी? क्या कुछ आएगा आपके दिमाग में?
वही डेली रूटीन चैलेंजेस टाइप के कुछ हो सकते हैं, मतलब हम उसको उस नज़रिए से तो नहीं देखना चाहिए, लेकिन उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है जो फेसेस करने होते हैं, उसको डिनाई तो नहीं कर सकते।
सो डू यू थिंक कि वो इक्वली हैं नॉर्मल पर्सन के?
अगर भाई थिंक प्रोसेस देखा जाए तो वो इक्वल है, उनकी कैपेसिटी और कैपेबिलिटी पे कोई मतलब शक नहीं होना चाहिए। वो वैसा काम तो कर सकते हैं, समाज में जैसे योगदान दे सकते हैं कंपेयर द नॉर्मल पर्सन।
एक केस लेते हैं हम, मान लो एक कोई लो विजन का पर्सन है एंड ही इज़ ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम मेट्रो, तो ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू सी कि कहाँ जाना है कहाँ नहीं जाना, तो उस सिचुएशन में वो क्या करे फिर?
For a blind person,
हम्म,
like it's quite, I think, maybe difficult over here because we can see the crowd
हम्म,
in day-to-day life. So, but for I think this like
Authorities
on a
will have to
wheelchair or
reach out.
something.
Authorities
हाँ,
will help right?
yeah,
हम्म।
authorities can help. I
सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, यू आर सेइंग कि सिस्टम चेंज होगा तो ही जाके हमारा लाइक पीपल विद डिफरेंट एबिलिटीज़ को उनको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेंगी।
About identifying people with
Mhm.
disability,
हम्म,
authorities will not ignore if
Mhm.
someone is there.
हम्म,
अगर उनको पता है that person is blind, so they will help, but they need to see that person is
Of
blind.
course, and
How will they know?
I think even like we as a blind person will also not ignore that person at all
yeah.
if he and she is asking for help or something. So
mhm.
So, how accessible do you think Delhi NCR is for people with disabilities on a scale of 1 to 10? And what needs improvement most urgently?
I will prefer 5 on the scale of 10. Yeah, and I think the mentality of the person means they think that disabled person can't do anything, but they can do anything.
Right, right.
Yeah, that's the reason I will prefer.
मैंने सिर्फ अभी तक दिल्ली में ही देखा, गुड़गांव
some changes
Mhm,
needed
mhm.
here and there, but of course, like everyone is trying from their side.
Okay, okay.
जैसे आजकल जो
हम्म,
फुटपाथ बनते हैं उसके ऊपर भी ऐसे स्लोप बना दिए जाते हैं ताकि
रैम्प्स, या
अगर कोई व्हील चेयर वाला पर्सन है तो वो यूज कर पाए, या फिर अगर कोई मॉम भी है तो उनका जो मतलब ऐसे बच्चा लेके जाने का वो वॉकर होता है तो वो भी लेके जा सकता है।
ओके।
So do you think people with disabilities are treated with dignity in India, and if so, what should change, or if not, what should change? क्या होना चाहिए?
Delhi and Gurgaon situation we are very well aware of. So as per the situation here, people are treated with dignity.
Okay.
As much encounter we have had.
Okay.
And apart from that, of course, there is always a scope of improvement.
Yeah.
But till now, in our experience, they are being treated with dignity.
So do you guys work here?
Yes.
So do you guys have any like differently able individuals in your organization?
No.
Just want like you don't have to mention your company or organization name. So is your organization open for differently able individuals?
Yeah, they are.
Okay. And one more question. Anyone from you from TA or HR?
No.
Okay, so this question is not valid for you. And one more question is: do you think society disables people more than their physical or mental condition, or does so? Why or why not?
Like if they're already disabled, उनको mock करते हैं वैसा, are you trying to say?
Yeah, it's like basically, अरे यार ये रोज आ जाता है यहाँ पे, या basically mentally they are harassing them by just words. So do you think society disable people more than their physical or mental condition?
Um, I have not seen actually, to be honest.
Okay.
Like with my friends and in my surrounding, I have not seen such things. Maybe sometimes, yeah, कभी कभी किसी का मजाक बनाना या ये कर सकते हैं, but like on a serious situation or something, I have not seen किसी को ऐसा नहीं.
Directly mock करते हैं we haven't
Yeah.
seen, but like internally people do say.
Yeah.
Okay. And on social media, usually things happen. Just recently, I think you may know Samay Raina.
Yeah.
So recently, one thing happened with Samay Raina. He mocked a differently able individual who was visual impaired.
Yes, yes.
So what are your takes on that? Like, was that only for sarcasm or was that serious? Yes, as this question implies to that he was mocking in that way, but he was just joke in like a sarcastic way he was doing that. So does that like mentally harass anyone or not?
So for all people, we can't say, but for whom he was doing all the mock and everything,
Yeah.
I think the person was not too much disturbed or something from.
As he was a comedian also.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think he was nowhere hurting anyone emotions or something. He was just trying to play a role which he always do in his shows or something. So I don't think he was trying to like make fun of those people. Yeah.
What do you think or what do you mean by the word disability?
Honestly, it is.
Disability can be any sorts of it. So what do you think about that?
I'm not sure. तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
Anything. It's not about like a physical disability or we are mocking or you're
Yeah, yeah.
giving any statement to something. But what do you think? What's the first thing that comes under?
Maybe not being able to
Do something. Yeah.
and it's not exactly like physically disability भी नहीं होती, like some people are mentally disabled also.
Yeah.
If they're not able to understand, not in a derogatory way, in a normal way.
Yeah.
So yeah, we could call that.
What do you understand between like mental disability and physical disability and how it correlate?
So I think mental disability and physical disability both are correlated because they are correlated. Like if a person is physically not very active or his some part is not working properly, so he will not able to face the society in a proper manner. He always think that he or she always think that the society is not for him or her, so they always try to cut from the society, and that's the reason the physical and mental both are very important for them. Yeah, and for mental, for if we are going for the mental point of view, then mental is also important, because if you are physically fit but you are not fit in mental sense, your mind is not working as per expected rules of the society, then it will also affect the person. And at that time I think they are actually body and mind both are of the same position. Yeah, so at that time I think they feel that they are also cut from the society, and that will also create the problem for them. So I think it should be correlated, and it should be uh, taken care by the society, that they are the part of our society.
Okay, so if you see, the disabled people are not actually disabled. Then, as per you, who are the disabled, the real disabled?
Actually, yeah, disability is nothing but our mindset. So if we think that he is disabled, what is his parameter? So I think the parameter is defined by the society, not by the government, not by the God also.
Because
So yeah,
society
yeah,
normalize physical fitment. That's
yeah,
why.
that's the reason.
Okay. As per you, who are the disabled, the real disabled?
Actually, yeah, disability is nothing but our mindset. So if we think that he is disabled, what is his parameter? So I think the parameter is defined by the society, not by the government, not by the God also.
Because
So yeah,
society
yeah,
normalize physical fitment. That's
yeah,
why.
that's the reason.